So now let's create our add edge method. I'm going to bring up a couple of vertices like this. We're going to represent them like this, and we're going to connect these two vertices. And we're going to do that by doing this. So let's move this down here and start writing our code. We'll say add edge, and we're going to pass it vertex 1 and vertex 2, the two vertices that we want to have an edge between. So to connect these two, we will say first self.adjacency list at the vertex of 1. Remember, the value there is a list, and on that list, we are going to dot append vertex 2. That's going to look like this. And then we'll do it the other way. On this one, this is vertex 2. We're going to do a dot append onto that list. We'll append vertex 1 like this. So this is only something we want to do if both vertices exist. So let's say we're trying to do an add edge between the vertices 1 and 3. Well, we don't have a 3 vertex, so we can't add that edge. Both of these have to exist. So above these two lines of code, we will need an if statement. And this one's kind of long, but it's not complicated. So this is basically saying if vertex 1 and vertex 2 both exist, then we can create an edge between them. And when we do, we'll return true. If either one of them don't exist, this if statement will equate to false, and we'll skip past that, and then we'll return false. All right, so let's go look at this in VS Code. So there is our add edge method there. And this creates our graph called myGraph. And then we'll create two vertices, 1 and 2. And here is where we'll add an edge between those two vertices. And then we will print out the graph with this line here. Okay, so let's run this. And you can see that we have created an edge between 1 and 2. Okay, so that is our method for add edge.